Welcome back to BB series, Build in the Backyard, Build with Venkat. Today, I'll try to illustrate a few practical use cases of SAP Build Process Automation so that you can actually see the use of it. Example 1, sales order creation. Let's say your customer sends his purchase order as a PDF document by an email. Now you need to create a sales order in your system. If you automate that process by using SAP Build Process Automation, how it works is the bot, which is SAP Desktop Agent, goes to your email and goes to that specific inbox folder, whatever you specify, and looks for the email that has subject, let's say purchase order, opens that email, downloads the attachment and saves in a specific folder in your local machine. Now step 2 starts, which is document extraction. It reads the PDF document, identifies the fields, let's say the customer number, material and quantity and so on, and then passes on these values for approval as a workflow. That is step 3. Once the approval is done by the manager, now step 4, which is actual creation of sales order in the backend system, starts. What happens is, once the workflow is done, approval is done, these values will be passed on to the backend system using the API, and the document gets posted, which is sales order creation. Everything is automatic. Now let's see example 2. Let's say once the goods receipt is done, either against a purchase order or production order, or maybe without reference to any preceding document, you do the goods receipt. And the requirement is you need to trigger email notification to anybody in the system, considering maybe the value of the product, or maybe it is a dangerous goods, whatever the reason is. So here you can make use of event mesh on BTP and build process automation. What happens is, event mesh always keeps listening to the events that happen in the backend system. Like Amazon Alexa, it always listens. Whatever the event could be in the backend system. Let's say there is a change in the sales order, or there is a item block in purchase order, or a quality notification is created in the backend, or quantity is reduced in a production order. For all these events that are happening in the backend system, you can listen them on BTP and respond to that, whatever that response could be. In this case, triggering the email notification once the goods are received. This is example 3. Now let's see example 4. Sorry, that was example 2. Now let's see example 3. It is for FI. Let's say at the end of or before the closure of month-end activities, you want to download certain data from SAP and send for approval before you actually start the month-end activities. You can automate this. In this case, the bot logs into SAP by using the given user ID and password, goes to that specific transaction code and inputs the given selection parameters, run the transaction, get the data, and saves as an Excel file in your system, and also triggers an email to the respective person. Everything automatic. So these are the 3 examples that can be done without writing a single line of code. So if you are a developer, business process automation makes your job easier. If you are a functional, you need not to go to the developer. So that's it for today. We'll come back to you with another video soon. Till then, bye-bye.